Clean India campaign has been a transformative initiative in India's journey towards a cleaner and more sustainable future. Launched in 2014, it aimed to address the pervasive issue of sanitation and cleanliness, emphasizing the importance of hygiene and proper waste management. As India will celebrate its centenary year of independence in the next 25 years, Swachh Bharat's legacy continues to resonate. The initiative has led to the construction of millions of toilets, the establishment of proper waste management system, a significant reduction in open defecation rates. Swachh Bharat not only contributes to a cleaner and healthier environment, but also plays a crucial role in improving public health and promoting a sense of civic responsibility among Indians. Beyond sanitation, it has far-reaching implications, including improved health outcomes, environmental preservation, and enhanced tourism potential. It symbolizes not only the nation's commitment to eliminate open defecation and improve sanitation, but also reflects a broader aspiration for a cleaner environment, healthier citizens, and a strong, self-reliant India in its second century of freedom. In conclusion, the Swachh Bharat mission stands as a remarkable initiative that has not only transformed the physical landscape of India, but also ignited a shift in societal attitudes towards cleanliness and hygiene. Since its inception in 2014, it has made significant strides in improving sanitation facilities, reducing open defecation, and fostering a sense of civic responsibility. While challenges persist, the mission's progress is undeniable. As we move forward, it is imperative to sustain this momentum, ensuring that cleanliness and hygiene become integral aspects of our national identity. Swachh Bharat is not just a mission, it is a commitment to a cleaner, healthier, and more prosperous India for generations to come. Swachhta Pakhwada is a social movement towards the sustainability of Swachhata. This movement has integrated the themes Swachh Bharat, Harit Bharat, Plant a Tree in Cleanliness Drive. The Ministry of Tourism, with the aim of maintaining cleanliness at tourist destinations across the country, has observed a wellness campaign on cleanliness by undertaking a fortnightly awareness drive called Swachhata Pakhwada. The slogan of Swachhata Pakhwada is Clean India, Beautiful India. If we will not protect nature, nature will not protect us. Cleanliness should not be foreseen, for it brings hygiene. Let's make the right choice and use dustbin. As the Swachhta Pakhwada 2023 unfolds, the Ministry of Railways, in collaboration with other ministries, continues to lead the way in fostering a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable India, inspired by the principles of Mahatma Gandhi and dedicated to the Swachh Bharat mission. Thank you. Swachhta Pledge. Mahatma Gandhi dreamt of an India.
Mahatma Gandhi dreamt of an India
Which was not only free but also clean and developed.
which was not only free but also clean and developing.
Mahatma Gandhi secured freedom for Mother India.
Mahatma Gandhi secured freedom for Mother India.
Now it is our duty to serve Mother India
Now it is our duty to serve Mother India
by keeping the country neat and clean.
by keeping the country neat and clean.
I take this pledge
I take this pledge
that I will remain committed
that I will remain committed
towards cleanliness and devote time for this.
towards cleanliness and devote time for this.
I will devote 100 hours per year,
I will devote 100 hours per year,
that is 2 hours per week,
that is 2 hours per week,
to voluntary work for cleanliness.
to voluntary
neither litter nor let others litter.
I will neither litter nor let others litter.
I will initiate the quest for cleanliness
I will initiate the quest for cleanliness
with myself, my family, my locality, my village and my workplace.
myself, my family, my locality, my village, and my workplace.
I believe that the countries of the world
I believe that the countries of the world
that appear clean are so because
that appear clean are so because
their citizens don't indulge in littering,
their citizens don't indulge in littering,
nor do they allow it to happen.
nor do they allow it to happen.
With this firm belief,
With this firm belief,
I will propagate the message of Swachh Bharat Mission in villages and towns.
I will propagate the message of Swachh Bharat Mission in villages and towns.
I will encourage 100 other persons to take this pledge,
I will encourage 100 other persons to take this pledge,
which I am taking today.
which I am taking today.
I will endeavor to make them devote
I will endeavor to make them devote
their 100 hours of cleanliness.
their 100 hours for cleanliness.
I am confident that every step I take towards cleanliness
I am confident that every step I take towards cleanliness
will help in making my country clean.
will help in making my